Hey, what's up? It's the Wild Card J Spade. This is my partner in slime,
BUKUDAO.
and together we are Slime Season. This is our first time coming out to Freelance Wrestling. I'd like to thank all the fans who showed up tonight, and also to Freelance Wrestling Management for booking us on the show.
Yeah.
Follow us on Instagram at Slime Season. That's Slime SZN. And also, what's your handle on IG?
BUKUDAO or die.
BUKUDAO or die. And you can follow me at the Wild Card J Spade. That's the most world. Good move.